Hey guys, what's going on? I'm like wandering the island here with a drink in hand. Just wanted to show you guys how awesome this is. Hey, you know what'd be good? Filming this from the air with the drone. Ha ha ha. But we can't do that, but check it out. Is that awesome right there? And over there, behind me, right? This is tough to do. Right there behind me, that would be the Atlantic Ocean. That is the ocean out there already. And this is like a little island. And it is awesome. There we go. Get you a good view out there. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, I'm detecting something behind me here. Uh-oh. There's Martin flying around. There's surveillance on this island, man. Woo! Now he's filming me. It's another rear shot. I know what he's filming. I know what's going on here. So, well, at least I know he's still here. I mean, this is proof that he hadn't left me front with the boat yet. It's flying over my head. Yeah, so right now the Mavic's just drying out. So yeah, this is like a really cool drone. Films in 4K. And he's had this thing a while. So there's some videos of this thing going on. So, okay, let me hold the phone here. It's really hard to like do this when you're like holding a margarita and there we go, we got the angle. Alrighty. So this is Boats and Drones, unofficial episode 2. He won't leave. Alright, I don't even know where he is. He's like behind that dune somewhere. I mean, I can't see him. Why? What do you want, man? All right, I'm just gonna run. I'm gonna see if he chases me. Shit! Help! There's a drone following me. I feel like Harrison Ford in The Fugitive, man. Hey, look, we're filming The Fugitive. That all you got? Whew. Alright, so now it's hot. So anyway, Mavic's drying out right now. We'll get back to when he gets the racing quad up. Toodles.